loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I filmed this Valentine's Day look. I use pink and red tones on my eyes, on my lips, and I use like a pinky highlighter. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please continue watching. And also before I get started, I want to mention that I am going to be doing a giveaway. And the rules to enter are very simple. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at JustLookMakeup. I'm going to include that above. And also tag at least 2 friends in the comments of my Instagram photo. And if you want to go above and beyond like an additional entry, repost the photo on your Instagram page and hashtag JustLookMakeup. So I hope you guys are excited to see this tutorial. I had so much fun creating it. So to see more, just continue watching. Alright, so I'm starting off by using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm taking the shade Blazing first. I'm just going to take and put that shade in my crease. And prior to doing this, I did apply a translucent powder to my eyelid. So I'm just working this color in. Then I'm taking the color called Amber. And I'm just going to work that color on top of the shade Blazing and just blend those colors in. Alright, so now I'm taking the shade Saffron. I'm just going to apply that below where I applied those 2 colors and kind of bring it down a bit onto my eyelid. Then I'm going to take the shade called Turkish Delight, and it's a really pretty shimmery red color. I'm just going to apply that with a flat brush onto my eyelid, and afterwards I'm just going to take that same saffron color and just blend the Turkish Delight with all the other colors so I have like a nice monochromatic eye look. Alright, so then I'm going in with the shade Nefertiti. And I'm just going to take that and apply it to my brow bone. I love how this shade creates like a highlighted brow bone look. Kind of accentuates my arch. So then I'm going to go ahead and do liner. I did apply it off camera. Then I'm taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow. I'm just applying that onto my eyelid. And it did dry a bit quick. So before it dried down, I take like a flat brush and I just kind of buffed that color in so everything had like a gradient effect. I don't want any harsh lines with eyeliner, with eyeshadow. I don't think it ever looks good when you have harsh lines with your eyeshadow, so always blend. Then I'm going back and blending yet again with that shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and take and apply eyelashes. I applied them off camera. And now it's time for primer. I'm using a hard candy primer. And it's kind of like a dupe for the Benefit Pore Perfecting Primer. And it really blurred my face. So good. And then I'm just going to take and pat it into my skin and just warm up the product. Now I'm taking an Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm taking that orange concealer color and just applying that to my face. Then I'm taking a damp beauty blender and of course just pressing that concealer into my skin. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr foundation. I'm just applying that onto my face, and I also mixed a little bit of the Smashbox foundation I usually use in with this, just so I can have a nice dewy / matte foundation look. And I did blend that in mostly off camera, but I'm just pressing it in and really melting it into my face. Then I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just applying that underneath my eye, and I'm really cutting where I applied my eyeshadow and eyeliner because I really want it to be super snatched and have like the cat eye effect. I'm applying that on my forehead and on my nose. And then I'm taking the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and going on top of that and just layering it for an extra highlight effect. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and once again just blend the concealer in. I really want a nice seamless look on my face. Next, I'm taking a shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. I'm just contouring my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, my jaw, and just really sculpting my features out. And I'm going to take a stippling brush and just really blend in that contour. I think stippling brushes work best with this, just in my opinion. And I'm really blending that in. You don't want any harsh lines on your face with contour ever. Then I'm taking the Airspun loose setting powder. I'm just going to take and apply that to my face before anything sets into my fine lines. And this is just going to really give me that blurred filter effect. And I did apply a bit too much, like way too much. So then after that, I did have to dust all of that off. And this powder smells so freaking good, like I was shocked. So after I dust all that away, I'm taking the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to place that on top of that just to really buff everything in and press it into my skin. And then after that, I am going to take a mineral powder that's coloring my skin and just really blend everything in so it's super seamless. Now I'm contouring again, just really sculpting my face out. I love a good sculpted look. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply blush. A pinky blush as always. Dabbled in my cheeks, and then I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'm taking this and highlighting the high points of my face, on top of my cheek, my nose. And this is also another product in my giveaway, so make sure you enter my giveaway, of course. I really love that highlight. It's so creamy. I'm taking that same highlight color from that Huda palette. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that in the corner of my eye and kind of blend it in. Now I'm doing lip liner, one of my favorite parts, tie everything together. And I did use a dark lip liner because I want a good ombre effect. Then I'm going to take a beautiful red color by NYX. All products will be in the description box below, of course. I'm just taking this red color and applying it on top because, you know, it's the holiday season and Valentine's Day season, so red just makes sense. And then after this, I'm taking a nice pinky nude color and going on top of that just to tie my look together. I love this combo. And then finally, I'm setting my face and just, you know, letting it sit in, and that's the finished look. Thank you for tuning in and watching my makeup tutorial. So if you did like this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment box below. And don't forget to enter my giveaway and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.